Hi guys, it's your girl Sade Melinda back with a new YouTube video. And as you see today, I am lounging. I know y'all tired of seeing me in that faux leather dress, and I know y'all tired of seeing me in that Amazon turtleneck. So get used to seeing me in this Tom Brown sweatsuit. And your girl got her Gucci socks on today. Yeah. So I'm keeping it cozy. I love a sweatsuit, but today's not about sweatsuits at all. You see I got a Bergdorf off bag here, so gonna be showing you guys some goodies. Well, not goodies, one item today. Well, before I get into that, hello guys, welcome to our channel. So you know the deal. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you don't, you can give us a thumbs down, but be sure to leave in the comments how we can improve, and make sure that you subscribe so you never miss a video. Two-part, well, it's not kinda, it is going to be a two-part video because I am actually going to be showing you guys some Chanel boots. If you have been watching our YouTube channel from the beginning, you know your girl loves Chanel right now. You know, I change up, you know, who I love every year, but right now your girl is feeling Chanel. I want to curate my closet. I want to really have some nice pieces that I can have for years. As you can see, I'm still rocking with these earrings that I got for Christmas because I love them. I wear them probably every day. And now it was time to incorporate some boots. Yes, boots into my wardrobe. So as you know, I have those Bottega boots, and I don't really love them, but they're growing on me. And I wanted a pair of black boots because, believe it or not, I do not own a pair of black boots. Maybe something combat-ish, like that I could wear with dresses, that I can wear with jeans, that I could wear with slacks. So I was on the search for the perfect boot. So there's two boots that were, well, not even two. There's one boot that's on my radar from the Chanel 2021 Cruise Collection. And I actually am in love with those boots. I wanted to present myself something for my birthday. My birthday is next Monday, and well, the 25th, because I don't know when this video is gonna air. And I decided that I was going to present myself with a pair of Chanel boots. So I wanted this one pair from the 2021 Cruise Collection. Of course, it is sold out in my size. Very sad about that. So it's sold out in my size because, of course, it is now January, and you know they released the 2021 Cruise Collection like back in November, maybe end of October, beginning of November. So you know the girls pre-order. So the savages. I didn't know. I mean, listen, let me tell y'all something. Snagging certain items from Chanel from certain collections is like trying to get a pair of Jordans on the Sneakers Nike app. Like, it be gone. Like, you really have to either have a connect or you're gonna be buying it on the resale market for something crazy, and we already know Chanel prices are crazy. So I would recommend you having like a few sales associates on deck. Don't waste their time. You know, like if you're gonna buy it, like make sure that you put your name on a list, build a relationship with them, because it's crazy in these streets. Okay, y'all thought it was hard to get these exclusive Nikes and these Jordans. It is hard to get some Chanel pieces. Anyway, so because the boot that I originally wanted was sold out, and this is the thing, I wear 37 or 37 and a half in Chanel, but boots run funny. So I really wanted to go into the store and try it on. So as I was, you know, bummed about the fact that the boot I originally wanted was sold out and I possibly might not be able to get it, long and behold, this Instagram, Marcia Hirschleifers. I follow her on Instagram. She owns the store Hirschleifers in Manhasset. She posted a Chanel combat booty. So of course I sent it to my sister and I was like, these are kind of cute. These could kind of work. And she was like, no, I really am feeling those. She was like, but they don't look like you. The other boot looks like you. Okay, cool. So I decided I was gonna go down to Bergdorf because I knew that they had the boot that I wanted, but I didn't know if they had it in my size. I did see someone online, a personal shopper, post like they had a 37 and it looked like they were in Bergdorf, so that's why I went to Bergdorf. So, you know, sometimes you guys stalk a few pages, you know. So, I actually went down there and they did not have my size in the boot that I originally wanted, but I did like it. So I ended up looking at the other boot that I saw that was posted. And I actually ended up getting it. So this is the lace up. This is the lace up booty, and this is from the 20B collection. So it's shiny calf skin. I don't really like. It was $1,300. Yes, I know, but it's my birthday. Chanel about to have a price increase, so I'm about to show it to you guys. So they remind me of Doc Martens. So if you can see, they have, you know, where the shoelaces lace up, they have this pearl detailing. It has the C on the front. And why it reminds me of Doc Martens is because of these, that right there that says Chanel on the back. So that was super cute. And these are, okay, I will tell you this. They're not really my style, but they are cute. They are cute. So I ended up getting these. This is the other side. It's super cute. I'm gonna do a picture-in-picture so you can see them on. And so I tried them on and I like them. And you know, what's really cool right now is that no one's in the store, so you really get the attention of the sales associates. So, you know, I had a really good time actually being in there and buying these shoes. But I'm gonna be honest with you. After I left Bergdorf with these wonderful shoes, I went into the Chanel store and I still was on the hunt for the shoe I originally wanted. And they didn't have them, of course, because they're sold out. And then I was speaking to the sales associate and she was like, you know, she was like, it's in the same family, because I'm looking for this like shiny leather-ish kind and that of boot, and that's what this is. And the other one, I'll show you guys a picture of the other one that I wanted. But anyway, back to the story. So, and you know, I was kind of on the fence about it, and she was like, look, she was like, it's kind of in the same family, you know. And she was like, to be honest with you, all right, you're gonna get that boot. She was like, but then another boot's gonna come out in the next 5 months and it's gonna be the hot thing. So it's not really a matter if it's trendy or not. They always come out with, you know, they're gonna come out with something that you want, okay? So I'm not gonna be satisfied either way, because I'm gonna be on to the next one when it comes out. So I was like, you know what, she's right. So then, lo and behold, I didn't give up. I went to Saks. Now Saks had the white pair, but it was canvas in the boot that I wanted. So I was like, I was like, let me try on the size 37 in this, so I can know if I'm going to, you know, like this boot, or if I really should have just held off and just not bought anything. I tried on the 37 in the white boot and I ended up loving it. So needless to say, my search will continue for those boots. And I don't know about these. I don't know. I'm still on the fence about them. I'm thinking about returning them. I don't know, but I will keep you guys posted in a couple of days what I do. Fingers crossed if I get that boot. Okay, I'm back, guys. Day 2. And guess what? Your girl got a package today. So remember when we left off yesterday and I told you that I tried on the white pair in Saks and that I love that boot, but I didn't want the white pair because it was canvas? Your girl got the black leather pair. And I can't wait to share this with you guys. So as I said before, the pair that I wanted was from the 21C collection. And 21C collection like had to have been sold out maybe back in the beginning of December. I think it drops like the end of November. And I saw these boots, but it wasn't on my radar because I wasn't really shopping and it was Christmas and, you know, I had to buy Christmas gifts and I had to take a back seat on buying anything for myself. And, you know, I'm trying to like clear out my closet, get rid of stuff so I can make room for the new things. And my birthday is next Monday, January 25th, just in case you want to send me a present. But my birthday is next Monday and I wanted to get myself something really, really nice for my 30... Yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys how old I am for my 30-ish birthday. And I really wanted these boots. And when I want something, I want something. So one of a lovely personal shopper happened to have these boots in a size 37. She had 2 pairs, sold to me for retail. I'm so happy about that because your girl was not trying to buy these on the resale market. The resale market is crazy. Crazy, like a whole like $800, $900 more than the retail price. Y'all are crazy. No. So I was able to snag these. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So excited. They fit like a glove. They're super comfortable. They are more comfortable than the other pair. And they're just more me. They're just more me. So get into these. So it's a leather. It's like a crinkled, shiny leather, but it's real leather. It laces up. What I really love about this boot is that I do not even have to lace it up because it has zippers on the side. So that is amazing because it gets really annoying to zip up shoes and zip up shoes. Guys, what's wrong with me? It gets really annoying to lace up shoes. I do not like lacing shoes up, okay? So, and especially when you get them new and they're like perfectly laced, right? And then you unlace them and then they look like crap. So, as you can see, it says Chanel on the back. It has this little heel so you can dress it up or dress it down, combat style, and it has the double C's on the toes. I'm gonna live in these, guys. I'm gonna live in these boots. Let me tell y'all something. I'm gonna get my money's worth out of these. I am definitely going to get my dollars worth out of these boots. I'm very excited about these. I'm very happy. I'm very happy about my purchase. You know, upon speaking with my sister, like I'm really right now just trying to curate my closet and buy pieces that I'm really gonna love, you know, years from now, that I could pull out and be like, I love this piece, you know, and that I can have forever. As I stated before, don't really know if I'm going to keep the other one. You guys let me know in the comment which boots you guys love. I am always happy to hear your feedback. It's a tough decision, but you know, I like to always go with my first choice, and my first choice were these lovelies right here. They make me so happy. Well, listen, a lot of things make me happy. I'm excited about the boot. And thanks for watching and indulging in my Chanel haul today. Remember, we are dropping videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And don't forget, give us a thumbs up if you love this video, and we promise to keep it exciting and new and fashionable. Can't wait for what 2021 brings. Thanks for joining, guys. Bye.